This afternoon on KGW News at 4, it's been a deadly 48 hours on Portland streets with 2 hit-and-run incidents and a crash. The grim new data on traffic deaths in the Rose City.
I spent Christmas at Providence Hospital. This is not a game, right?
An illness is spreading in Portland's Old Town neighborhood, and it's sending some people to the hospital. That is our top story here at 4 o'clock. Thanks so much for joining us. I'm Brittany Folkers. The Multnomah County Health Department is now warning those who live and work in the area to take caution. As Blair Best reports, homeless people are among those most at risk of catching it.
For people living on the streets of Old Town, staying clean is a full-time job.
It is pretty overwhelming. You gotta juggle all that, you know.
We just hope to God that we either have wipes.
And now more than ever. Late last week, the Multnomah County Health Department issued this public health warning after increased cases of an illness called Shigella were found in Old Town, including among those living outside and in shelters.
I got it. It was awful.
It spreads through fecal matter. Symptoms include fever and vomiting and can last 3 to 10 days.
I spent Christmas at Providence Hospital. This is not a game, right?
Michael found out he had Shigella after checking himself into a detox facility.
Then when I went to 4 Health, I couldn't hold any food down. It's gross, but soiled my clothes. It's disgusting, right? To the point where they weren't medically equipped for it.
They sent him to the hospital.
And I spent December 20th through Christmas on an IV antibiotic, right? 8 hours at a time. I couldn't even leave my room because it's that contagious, right?
County health officials say Shigella spreads very easily. Even a small amount is enough to make someone sick. So if you live or work in Old Town, wash your hands often and remove shoes before going inside your home or tent.
Or even just sharing a cigarette with someone that you don't know, right? Yeah. Sharing a vaporizer pen, if it has fecal matter on it and you ingest that, you get that infection, right?
And Michael's not alone. We found others sick with similar symptoms.
Side effects, fever, fatigue, vomit.
I was just puking and just going to the bathroom.
It is tough for folks outside when there's not access to clean bathrooms.
Now, one way homeless people try and stay clean out here is by going to the Behavioral Health Resource Center. Here off the corner of Northwest 5th and Gleason is a white van where they hand out tickets for people to use the hygiene services there.
Go over there so you can have a healthy place to kick it for a second.
It's a service many are now coming to rely on.
Take a shower and try to get new socks, keep myself cleansed as possible.
Now, if you think you have Shigella, you're going to want to get tested, and you can do that by going to a local clinic. In Northwest Portland, Blair Best, KGW News.